If you're new to my channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you've been subscribed, please make sure to hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload. Today we are doing a full lace wig install. I'm going to be installing my blue wig that I DIY'd in my last video. So as you can already see, I already braided my hair. I just braid it pretty much as best as I can. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my hair and just make sure it's secured enough back to where it won't pop out of the wig cap. You want to make it as flat as you can in the back. And then after it's secured with a hair tie, you're going to need a stocking cap. And then at first, I kind of just fit the stocking cap on my head as best as I can. You want to make sure to try and get as much hairs as you can in the stocking cap. I know I look a little crazy. So I leave it back like this. I'll actually take some Got To Be Glued and an edge brush and just put a little bit on my styling brush, and we're going to brush all of my hairs back just so it doesn't get attached to the lace when we glue our wig down, as best as I can with the glue. Just like that. I'll kind of like use my hands to kind of mold the hair back. And then you want to take, your stocking cap again and just make sure the hair is as back as you can. And then I'll pull the stocking cap actually like all the way over my ears, like so. Once the stocking cap is fitted on your head, you want to take your Got To Be Glued hairspray. I pull my cap down just a little bit and spray just on the perimeter of your hairline. And you want to make sure you get this area really well as well. Then you want to take your blow dryer or hair dryer. You want to kind of pat it and make sure it's fully dry before you cut anything. Then I'll go in and do a second coat just to be sure it'll stay in place. Once you're finished blow drying it, you can take, scissors, or I'm using an X-Acto knife, and I cut the ears first, like a little tab. And the other side. And then I'm going to slowly and carefully cut around the perimeter, just lightly, like lifting. And you don't want to pull up, you want to kind of pull down. That way you're not lifting up any glue. So once I cut that ear part off, I'll just take like the end piece that's sticking out and tuck it back into the wig cap, like that. Or you can bobby pin it, whichever. after I finished with that, we are going to put the wig on. So here I have my wig. So as you can see, she's looking a little bit rough so far, but I really love the color. I'm going to take my hot comb and just basically I just brush all of the hairs back so I can get to the lace. So seeing where the lace is, I want to readjust the wig just a little bit, just to make sure that all of the ear tabs line up. Then I'll take my comb in the back and just secure it. You need your blow dryer again and your got to be glued spray. So I'm just going by section. So like first I'll do this section of lace. Now I'm gonna spray the in between the bald cap and my actual forehead with got to be glued spray, just as best that I can. I'm going to take my blow dryer and blow dry that area so that it becomes tacky. I'll actually take my lace and kind of spread it, like pull it, not too hard, but enough so the lace lays completely flat like that. And I'll kind of position my hand like that so it stays completely flat while I'm blow drying. Then I'll take, my upper section and do the same thing, just spraying the area, blow drying it till it's tacky, and then laying the lace down. Now I'm just positioning the lace how I want it, making sure it's completely flat or as flat as I can get it, and blow dry it. Then I'm just doing the same thing to the other side, going in sections. My camera cut out for a minute, so I apologize, but I did go ahead and glue down the other side. A little piece right here. Any pieces of lace that are still not laying down, and lay them down with got to be glued. Okay, once it's all laid down, you want to take your hot comb, turn this on. I'm going to go in and part the hair how I'm wanting it. I think I'm going to do like a swoop. So I'm kind of doing like a deep side part, basically just parting it as best that I can. Make sure your hot comb's hot. to form it into the part that I'm wanting. With my wax stick, this one's by Kira Care, and just wax along the areas that are being kind of stubborn. Wax them down like so, just so. Boom. I'm going to go in with my Eco Styling Gel and my edge brush just to make the swoop, and dip it into the Eco Styling Gel. How I'm wanting it. Going in with like a little bit more, molding it down. Then I'm going to take my cute little bobby pin and just pin that in place. Take some Godspeed Glued Spray and just spray it in place. And with my hot comb just to kind of like smooth it down a little bit more. The other side, since I don't want to use quite as much gel, curl cream, my Diva curl cream, and doing my edges. I also feel like with the curl cream it gives you a little bit softer look. I'm also going to bobby pin this side. This right here is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video or this tutorial. Please comment down below if you have any suggestions. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers, and turn on your post notifications so you can be notified when I upload and things like that. Thank you guys so much.